Abasuubuzi ku nsalo y'empondwe eyawula Uganda ku ggwanga lya Democratic Republic of Congo basabiddwa okukomya okuyisa ebyamaguzi mu buwunjuwunju kuba kino kifiiriza eggwanga omusolo mungi.
To encourage you not to use the porous borders to get discouraged of smuggling. Smuggling is not a proper way of doing business.
Okusaba kuno kuvudde wavunaanyizibwa kusoolooza omusolo ku nsalo y'empondwe Julius Ssenyondo bw'abadde akwasa abakyala abasuubuzi ofiisi mwe bagenda okukakkalabiza emirimu gyabwe.
The leadership make sure that you encourage your followers, your other women always to use the formal channels of doing business. And I'm very sure the government is passionate with women when it comes to doing business. So make sure that you're part of that agenda. Make sure that you do the foremost things, walk the right way, and don't despise the small beginnings. If you have a small, most of you deal in palm oil. So if you have one jerrycan, please come with it. If you have 5 jerrycans, come with it. We shall give you the necessary assessment and the necessary support.
Nakazi babula nga avunaanyizibwa ku bantu abayingira n'okufuluma eggwanga nga bayita ku nsalo eno asabye abasuubuzi bulijjo okukozesa ofiisi zaabwe basobole okwewala ebizibu bibasanga nga bali mu ggwanga lya Congo.
Encourage you to keep coming to immigration, to URA, we facilitate you. We are one people, we are here to serve you. Actually, we are your servants.
Exactly.
We are here to serve you. So in case of anything, come to us, don't fear coming to our offices. We understand some of other women and other traders pass the waters,
yes.
And they get issues in Congo and they bring it to our offices and we have issues. So let's avoid that. Let's use the right channel.
Abakyala basemye gavumenti olw'okubalowoozako ng'abasuubuzi ku nsalo eno wabula ne bagisaba okwongera okubadduukira basobole okwekulaakulanya mu byenfuna.
Nashukuru sana gavumenti ya Museveni. Tangu tumekaa kwa gavumenti zingine zote mimi sijawahi kuona gavumenti yenye inampa wa mama ofisini. Hii imekuwa ya kwanja.
Ye Birungi Agnes agamba nti okuba gye kiri nti akatale k'ebyennyanja kasigala Congo kikosezza nnyo ebyenfuna byabwe ng'asaba gavumenti okukaza Uganda ku bw'obulwadde bwa COVID-19 obwakagisaawo waggwawo dda.
Market was built. After building for us a market, the market was shifted to Congo. What I mean is our buildings are here, but the business of fish was shifted to Congo, which was boosting our business here at the border. We kindly ask the government to bring back our fish market back to Uganda so that we can be able to be working from here.
Mutabali Moses yakusakidde gwire lino ku lwa Kasese TV agaleero.